sits my aviary, glittering and full of anything you could ever want, all you'd ever need to know. I've asked the birds to visit. I watch them up above. I ask them, but they seem like they already got quite enough.
Nothing.
No.
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 In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
There is a
Thy
flash,
kingdom come,
duck and
thy
cover,
will
and
be
do it
done,
fast.
on earth as it is in heaven.
But heaven's door is very narrow.
Again.
Take nothing with us.
Done.
No one can done.
Again. There is
Nothing.
No.
under the sun.
It's natural, don't you see? The way it conforms to everyone who finds themselves in me.
Nothing is
Nothing.
No.
Nothing.
Is
Here sits my sparkling aviary, a piece of glass still rather full. I just need you to see a fragment of me that you wouldn't outgrow.